Hey everyone, we are here at the Comfort Inn and Suites, North Tampa Airport. It is a Monday. Their room is about $105 plus tax. We chose this room. It's close to the Cancer Center's Moffitt. It's about 15 minutes away. Refrigerator, safe, microwave, coffee maker, seating, a little desk. I have the TV. King bed. This is room 101 on the first floor. A lot of industrial around here. FedEx plant next door. Not a plant, distribution center, but yeah, pretty decent room. So if you're looking for a decent, clean room by the Tampa airport, Comfort Inn and Suites, North Tampa Airport.